Good morning, weirdos. Today I am on my way to visit family. We are going to do some craft projects. My nieces and nephews and I are going to do some craft projects, so that's kind of exciting. I just wanted to get on here really quick and have a talk with you guys about making really extreme offers to people who have liked your products. I've probably told you guys that for about 5 years I had a boutique and spa, which I then sold, and it's still running now. I just had an opportunity to not be the owner of it anymore, and it's, like I said, it's still doing fine, but when I had the opportunity to sell it, I did. So I do have some experience in this area. When somebody likes your item, now I'm not saying this is going to work for everybody. This is just a thought that I've had, and it's kind of worked for me. So I don't sell super high-end items. Like Jenna at Empty Hanger, she sells really high-end, new with tags, Anthropology, and, you know, those really nice things. It's not that I don't choose nice things, but they're not, you know, $100, $150 items. So I'm not talking about that market at all. I'm talking about my market. I'm the more bread and butter brands like Banana Republic and mall kind of stuff. So anyway, if I have an item for sale, let's just say we've got a pair of Banana Republic jeans that I have them listed for $34. Now, I very likely got these by the pound at the Goodwill outlet, and I inspected them, and I made sure that there was no damage in the crotch, around the bottoms of the legs, anywhere. And so I list them for $34 on Poshmark. I share them, and I right away get a like. If I send that person a, I don't know, $19 offer with free shipping, I'm still making, I think it's $12 or something, I can't remember. But that's a pretty good markup for my having bought them by the pound for 99 cents. I mean, a pair of jeans is not very often more than 2 pounds. So if after Poshmark fees, I'm making $12, and then you take $2 off for the cost of goods, and I'm still getting $10, that's me turning a pretty darn good profit pretty quickly. Now, a lot of people don't like this. They feel like that's cheapening their brand. It's cheapening what they're selling to others. But this is the deal, you guys. Macy's does it. Kohl's does it. All the big box stores do it. Walmart, everybody else. They price things high and have a half off everything sale. Or free shipping for everything over $50, or free shipping period for this weekend only, or whatever. You know, those extreme sales get people's attention. So if you mark an item for $34, knowing that you are going to make a certain number of offers to likers of that object for half off, then it's okay, because you've built that into the structure of your pricing. I hope that makes sense. It's not that you are pricing it for what you want to get for it and then taking half off. It's, how much do I want to get for this, considering my cost of goods? Okay, so that's established. And then you multiply that by a few times, so you've got a lot of wiggle room in that pricing strategy. So if you know that a pair of Banana Republic jeans is worth $34, it is. If somebody buys it for that, you don't have to feel guilty like you have sold them something that was not worth their money. It is. But if you can send out an offer for $17 and still make $10 after Poshmark fees and cost of goods, that's good too. And you know, if you sell 10 pairs of jeans and make $10 each on them after fees and cost of goods, that's $100. And if you sell 3 pairs of jeans and make $20 on each of them, that's only $60, you guys. So sometimes the quantity of how many things you're able to sell far outweighs the amount of money that you get per piece. So as always, that's my 2 cents for the day. I hope that you guys subscribe. I tell you all the time how much I'm enjoying talking to you guys about these things. And anyway, bye.